Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how a mechanical watch works. As you know, mechanical watch shows the time. Have you ever opened or examined any kind of mechanical watch system? If you look the watch from outside, it looks like very simple, but it has very complicated components. Let's start examine these systems, each component step by step. Every mechanical watch has just 5 basic elements. You can see their working process in this pocket watch. These elements are energy, wheels, escapement, controller, and time indicator. First step is generating energy. Every watch needs energy to make it work. Mainspring stores energy from wind.
Second step is wheels. The wheels transfers the energy through the watch. Which component stops the wheels from spinning out of control? It is escapement. The escapement stops the energy from escaping all at once. Escape wheel moves in steps. Pellets lock and unlock the escape wheels. Escape wheel push against pellets. Forked lever pushes against impulse pin. Its impulse. Fourth step is controller. The swing of balance assembly controls the escapement. Balance assembly swings back and forth. Balance spring keeps the action regular. The last step is time indicator. This is part of watch that shows the time. Cannon pinion carries the minute hand. Hour wheel carries the hour hand. Fourth wheel carries the second hand. And that is how a mechanical watch works with just 5 basic elements. Thank you for listening us.